Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Mac the Trader, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be going over AUDUSD. We absolutely killed it today within the AUDUSD market, catching over 6.95% return using the fuel trading model. Now, before we get started, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like. And if you are not subscribed to the YouTube channel, and if you are not a part of the free Discord community where I drop these trades every single day, then feel free to go ahead, head over to the website or click the link in the description and join in on the free Discord community. All right, let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first trade that we're going to go over, okay, is going to be on the 5-minute time frame. Then we're going to break this entire New York session down, and I'm going to show you guys 3 trade setups that my team here at Mac Trading Academy was able to catch using the fuel trading model. All right. So first, let's look at the M5 time frame. All right. So this morning we had a nice push to the upside. Okay. We had a little bit of accumulation here. Price manipulated to the upside, and then we distributed to the downside. All right. That gave us an opportunity to take a sell position. Okay. Right here within this area. All right. Price came back up into this area. We took a sell. We set our stop loss 9 pips, and our target was 21.5 pips based on this manipulated range right here. Okay. Now, those of you guys that are within the MTA analysis channel, okay, we actually sent this trade to you guys this morning. Okay, so this was the before. Okay, we were looking to see how price was reacting to this area, and then we were comfortable with taking a sell position. So there's the sell. As you guys can see, 9 pips was the risk, 21.5 pips was the target. We sent this trade out at 10:28 a.m. Okay, then as you guys can see, so that was right up here within this area. Let's go to the M1 time frame. And let's turn it on the M1 time frame. So if we go back to the M1 time frame, right? So price was consolidating within this area right here, okay? And then we sent the trade out at 10:28 a.m., which was here. As you guys can see, very, very little drawdown, barely any, and then price just continued to push to the downside. We did come back to entry here, very, very close to entry. All right, and then we just continued to push throughout the rest of the session. So as you guys can see, very, very solid morning trading the M5 time frame. Now let's get to the M1 time frame. So for those of you guys who want to day trade the M1 time frame, okay, the fuel trading model shows up multiple times throughout the morning. Okay, so we're gonna go over the first one here. So as you guys can see, accumulation. All right, we have manipulation, and then we break that manipulation. Entry was here. Okay, a little bit of imbalance. Responsible for breaking out of this manipulation here. Price tagged us in. 3.5 pips was the risk based on how Olivia trades. Olivia is a trader here at Mac Trading Academy that trades some of our capital. So she took her first sell position here of the morning, and target was here for about 7.2 pips, giving her 2.06% return on investment. Fantastic trade. Second trade of the morning was a little different. Okay, as it relates to the accumulation and manipulation phase of the market. All right, this is a small nuance that will be taught within the course on how to take advantage of this here specifically. But we can see that we have a little bit of accumulation here. All right, price manipulates, and then we break down to the downside. All right, we took our entry where it was responsible, the imbalance or inefficiency that was responsible for breaking accumulation. All right, 4.5 pips was our stop loss, and the target was 11.5 pips for 2.56% return. All right, last trade of the day. These are my favorite models here. As you guys can see, this model was the same model that formed on the M5 time frame. All right, those are some of my favorite models to trade. They're very, very straightforward. So a little bit of accumulation, manipulation. All right, then price breaks down. All right, we have a little bit of inefficient pricing within that accumulation, and price returns back into that. That's where we took our entry. Stop loss was 6 pips, targeting 14 for about 2.33% return. So altogether, all right, if you were day trading the M1 time frame, all right, 6.95 percent return. And if you're on the M5 time frame, then you were able to catch this beautiful trade right along with us for 2.39%. Now, while you guys are learning how to take advantage of this fuel trading model and while you're learning the ins and outs of it, okay, feel free to join in on the analysis community for $27 a month. What that's going to allow you to do, it's going to allow you to take my trades. So as you guys can see, AUDUSD was sent out. That's the before. Euro USD was sent out here. All right, I even told you guys stop loss may be a little tight. However, it wasn't. Price hit our target, 2.39%, and then currently Euro USD, we're currently floating in profit, almost to target. All right, so if you need assistance with taking advantage of this model, all right, join in on the MTA analysis community, Discord. All right, and that's going to assist you with being able to see what I see within the market and take my trades while you are still learning what to do. With that being said, I will catch you guys on the next one. Much love and peace out.